Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about some safe options for you guys to start investing in crypto. Okay, because from my last video, obviously some people didn't manage their risk and they got their butt crack hurt.
There we go. No, stop. Just go with it. Just go with it.
That's good. It's going.
Stop. Now it's going to blow right on her back. Yes, sir.
I'm going to help you out today. I got your back, all right? Even though I got a lot of nasty comments from people who didn't follow exactly what I outlined in my previous videos. Okay, that's not my fault. That's your fault. So let's roll this intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and bell notification so when I upload my latest vids, you get notified immediately. Okay, so let's just go into some things that do that are safe, and I still do these today. What you can do is when the market is down, you can dollar cost average, meaning you buy on the dip. So things that you can buy right now, because Bitcoin's 35K, it was 39K like 2 days ago. So you can buy Bitcoin now. You need to buy it with fiat or your stablecoin. There's no point buying it with some other Bitcoin because it's also gone down. So you have to buy it with fiat. Buy Bitcoin, right? This is what I do, all right? Not financial advice. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin. If you like ADA, buy that. Dogecoin, if you like that shitcoin, buy that. If you like XRP, I don't like XRP. You can buy that. Do as you please. Polkadot, if you like Polkadot, buy that. I have a little bit of Polkadot. Bitcoin Cash, I still like Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it's still a good coin in my opinion. Litecoin, okay, it's my second biggest bag. I like Litecoin. Solana, I'm been stacking my Solana. Love Solana. Even buy some stablecoin. The reason why you buy some stablecoin is because, again, when the market is down and red, you've got stablecoin and you buy on the dip. Polygon, another really good coin. I think the Polygon is going to make a massive surge, even though it's like a band-aid for Ethereum, but in my opinion, it still has value. A lot of Ethereum maximalists, people that just swear by Ethereum, will buy this and expand the ecosystem. And now Polygon are starting to throw their money around into these DeFi protocols. AAVE was the biggest one. Gave them $40 million to expand into Polygon. Offer sweet rewards, get more investors and interested in Polygon. I still think that Polygon is good, but it's still going to have some roadblocks, which Ethereum had. Okay, so Stellar. I think Stellar is also a good long-term one, and look, you can go down the list, but I mean these are the kind of the main ones, right? These are like 10 main ones that you can DCA. They're going to be around. The infrastructure coins, they are so well embedded into the crypto ecosystem, right? They're not going to disappear overnight, and they're good long-term investments. Okay, we do a lot of these launchpads. Now with these launchpads, they're right now, because the market's down, this is a good time to actually buy in on them because they're cheap, right? They've gone down a lot. Some of them gone down up to 75%. So this is actually the time to be buying them. Buying them cheap now, so when we get out of this dip and we're back up to 60K for BTC, these things are going to moon. So just another strategy is to actually buy these on the dip, not even participate with the actual IDOs themselves, right? Because that's what these launchpad projects are. You buy their token to get in on the IDOs, but just even buying them, hodling them, and then just selling them when they start to moon. And when these IDO projects come, the next one that comes along, they always go up in price, right? And then just trade them, actually trade them. We actually do the IDO projects, but that's what we found as well, that they tend to pump before when the next IDO comes, and you can even trade it. Okay, This is one that I've been playing around with. There's a lot to this, and there's a lot to understand, but AAVE, basically you deposit your crypto and you can lend against it. All right, so you can earn Matic by doing that, and currently I think the interest rates have dropped a bit, but currently, you know, the difference between what you have to pay back and the difference that they're paying you, the interest, sorry, from the coins that you deposit, right? You're going to get a return on them. Currently, it's higher. So in other words, you're going to actually get paid for, you know, depositing these coins. All right. Then you can take your coins. Then you can, you know, withdraw it and do other stuff with it, with the other DeFi stuff. Okay. But this is one I haven't really gone into big. There's other people that have done, you know, put hundreds and thousands of dollars into AAVE. I still think that this is a good strategy long term, and there's something like $18 billion in AAVE. It's been audited multiple times, and this is probably one of the safest protocols in DeFi. I mean, if there's safe protocols out there, this is it. This AAVE, Curve, you know, all the big ones that have billions of dollars, you know, they're as safe can be, if there's such thing as safe. Okay, this one has been really good for me and our peeps in Patreon group. We got in this on $1 to buy the token, but I'm not just talking about buying the token as well. I'm talking about actually earning passive income with Celsius. If you want to get in on this, there's $16 billion currently in community assets. It's regulated in the UK and the US, also regulated by SEC in United States, and you can earn crypto. So basically, they have this thing at the moment where you can get $40 worth of crypto. All right, just use my promo code to get $40 worth of crypto, and also there's a bunch of other promo codes. You can deposit up to 250 grand, or deposit up to 2,500, or $400 for even more. So it's free money. These promo codes don't last long, so it's worth getting into. Plus, then once you deposit your crypto on the app, the app's very easy to use, and every week they send you an email and tell you how much you've earned in passive income, and this is compounded weekly for you. Okay, so I love Celsius. Again, it's just another tool. It's centralized, but it's as safe as, you know, I trust Celsius more than I trust these DeFi platforms. Another one is BlockFi. I've got a BlockFi account as well. Great for international people. Again, I think if you deposit about $100, it used to be $20. Don't quote me. I think it's about $10. But again, free crypto. They give you these. They offer these incentives for people to come on board. Think of it as if you know, a traditional company would spend millions of dollars on advertising. The way that they use and expand their user base is they use that money that they'll use on advertising, and they just give it to people that refer. All right, so this is not like some MLM or any of that sort of rubbish. This is just a one-tier, one-off deal. So you can also earn by referring others, but it's only one-off on level one. So it does help build the project. I've got a Blockfolio account as well, and you can also I also earn passive income from this one as well. This is also from the States, and they've got a crypto credit card coming. Okay, so I like both of these, Celsius and BlockFi. They just sit there, they earn me passive income, and I love them. Look, PancakeSwap, the APRs are not, I mean, they're still pretty decent. They're not low, but they're not like stupid out of control. They're still pretty decent. Look, in my opinion, PancakeSwap's one of the safest, I guess you could call, DeFi plays. It's got a DEX and it's got like farms as well. So in my opinion, it's pretty safe. safe as safe can be in DeFi. There's nothing safe in DeFi, but this is one of the safest ones. You can stake your liquidity pair, or you can just go in pools and you can just stake your single tokens and you can earn some sweet yield on this. The most popular one is Cake. Go into the auto Cake restaking pool. You only get 109% APY. Again, this is not amazing returns, but it's still good returns compared to a bank, and you can just sit your cake there and start earning passive income. So there's a whole bunch of different other tokens that you can just stake and earn more cake. Okay, this is one of my favorite ones at the moment. It's Vault. Now I'm on Binance Smart Chain and I'm on Polywax. So this is a Polygon version of basically Vault. Okay, so they're on BSC and Polygon. I absolutely love this one. I think this is an awesome DEX and yield farming protocol. So I'm actually earning the free tokens that we got airdropped, as well as I'm earning so I'm earning all the coins, right? Vault X, Wex, and Wex Poly. So this is a more of a long-term play for me. I'm just letting it sit. Maybe if it goes, the price of Wex goes back up to, I don't know, 20 cents, I might be very tempted to sell. But for now, I'm just staking, and it's pretty safe, in my opinion. Okay, so this one is making inroads. It's AAVE, and I think we've got affiliation with Astronaut. They have these IAOs, they call them, initial ape offerings, which is basically IDOs. It's very similar to IFOs on PancakeSwap. They've had a few of them, but now they're going into Polygon, okay? And I think this is why the price has gone up a little bit. So look out for this one. I think that this is, they're really doing some big things behind the scenes with this one. And again, probably worth investing, buying the coin and just sitting on the coin. Because when I see these things and they start to develop and they start to add more products and they start to go in the different blockchains, this is really, really good sign that they have a competent team and they're doing a lot of things behind the scenes to make sure that the project is long term. That's what I like to see. TFYN, this is a multi-dex chain, and it basically this is on Matic, and this is offering pretty good yield at the moment. I mean, you can stake your stablecoin here for, say, DAI USDT at 56.92% APR. Now these will run out; they don't go forever, but for now you can earn some good yield. There's different pairs here as well, but if you don't want the impermanent loss or you want to limit the impermanent loss, just do the DAI USDT at 56.92%, and that's pretty decent for stablecoin, considering that this is stable. All right, this is not some high degen play. Okay, this is probably one of the most safest places to park your crypto, and that's Binance. And they've got multiple products inside this, but one place is the launch pool, and basically you can park your BNB or your BUSD. At the moment they've only got one because there's they've done a ton of them, but essentially what they do is when their projects launch on their as a launch pool project, they have so many coins allocated, and you can stake your BNB or BUSD and earn it for free. And that's what this is. There's 12 days remaining in this one. Usually they have more that launch, so there's constantly a barrage of these. And look, the APY is not fantastic, but in my opinion it's safe. Like what I said before, right? Higher the risk, the higher reward. The lower the risk, the lower reward. So this is only paying 4.48%, but in my opinion, Binance is one of the safest centralized exchanges. I trust it more than DeFi centralized exchanges, all right? Because they have a SAFU pool, which is basically a slush fund if they get hacked, but Binance is pretty solid, right, and safe in my opinion. Okay, another way to earn passive income. If you're into mining, you can buy these machines. You can switch them on, turn them on at home, or turn them on at work, or in your garage, or your basement, or whatever. Start earning free crypto. And mining has been around for as long as proof of work has been around, which is kind of like as long as Bitcoin's been around. Okay. So this is a way, again, this is long-term. You invest in one of these machines, you can start earning Bitcoin. So this one here, Antminer S9 Pro. A lot of these are out of stock at the moment, but you can buy something like this. Bitcoin miner seems to tend to suck a lot of energy. These things right now, because of the dip and because we're at 35K, it says that these are 600 days. But you know, once Bitcoin gets back up to 60K, these are going to become very profitable again. You know, certainly with a lot of these miners, even a lot of these miners that are a couple of years old, when BTC went to like 60K, they really became profitable. I'm still hanging on to some L3s, and even that's still making $4 a day. When BTC went to 60K, these were making $11 to $12 a day, and this is from June 2017. So a lot of these machines will turn on again once BTC goes up. And if you like mining, if you want a machine that or a couple of machines, or you know, run some Ethereum rigs, this is something that you know, you can do just from your basement. You don't need to rely on anything. You just need to just buy the equipment and just start mining. But it is long term. You know, you got to look at it as like a minimum 3 year investment for this sort of stuff. You can get into Helium Mining. These things are hot at the moment. You know, there's something like 60,000 of these things out at the moment. There was only like 30,000 of them only a couple of months ago. So these hotspots, you can buy these machines. Again, it's very similar to mining with crypto, but less intensive. They only pretty much put off, you know, like a light bulb worth of electricity a month, which is, you know, sweet FA. They cost, you know, anywhere from say 500 plus, and you can make some really good money. People on YouTube have been making great gains with these. Again, you have to do some more research on this, but right now these are so popular because they're so cheap to get into, and you can ROI on them very fast, sometimes only in a couple of months. All right, so there's people that are buying 50 to 100 of these at a time, and these are 500 plus bucks each, but they're just getting as much of these as they can. And I still think that this is still viable. It's just that you got to do your own research and see who's in your area, see what you can connect up with. Obviously, the more machines you connect up with, the more you're going to make every day. Helium halving is coming, so all your rewards are going to be halved in August. And there is a bit of a delay on these machines, but I still think it's a long-term thing. Like, you know, if you look at 3 years plus down the road, I still think that this is a good option to earn passive income. Just plug the machine in, do nothing. That's it. Again, this is another one, MXC. This is this mines multiple coins at once. This MXC token, this data highway token, and now they're going to introduce BTC, and they got DOT coming. So again, this machine's about $3,000. More of a high-end machine. I think it's overpriced, but it's all relative, I guess, to how much you can earn, how much you can get your ROI back. But I think that this is it's more sophisticated machine, and they seem to have their logistics sorted, unlike Helium. Another thing you can do is also play games. This is massive in third world countries. Obviously, Axie Infinity started on Ethereum. Well, it's still on Ethereum, but the gas fees of Ethereum have gone down quite a bit because they're all now moving on to Matic, so it's made Ethereum less congested, but this is still pricey when it's $3-4 a transaction. But this is massive in Philippines, Colombia, Brazil, a lot of the third world countries. People are playing this game on their smartphone, and they're earning free crypto. They're earning these NFTs, and they sell these NFTs, cash them out, and earn crypto. And some of those countries are only making sort of $2 or $3 a day. They're playing this game, and they're making a day's wage. That's what these kids are doing, and adults are doing right now. That's why this game is so massive. So you can play and earn crypto. You can buy these NFTs and, you know, breed them and all that sort of good stuff. So there's a massive following with Axie Infinity. Another one too is one that I play. It's called Alien Worlds, and you can also earn free crypto. You can buy these weapons and buy land as well as if you want artifacts. You can stake the crypto and earn more crypto. So you got staking here and choose a planet. I'm staking here at the moment on this one. And basically, you know, you just buy this inventory and it'll just give you, like the bigger the higher end, the more equipment, the faster you can mine. And then you can earn more crypto. And as you can see here, next time the mine is in 30 minutes. So in 13 minutes, I want to earn some free crypto. And then you just go back and you just click more of it. And then you can just start earning more and more. So I don't earn much from this. Usually probably only about $2 or $3 a day. But again, you know, it's still something, if you want to do, costs you nothing to do, okay? Another one that's just come online is my DeFi pet. This is on Binance Smart Chain. So Axie Infinity is on Ethereum. This is on Binance Smart Chain. I just started playing this game. Basically, it's the same sort of gameplay where you kind of like, you get these animals, you breed them, and you can earn more crypto as you build up your animals and all that sort of stuff. You can sell them. They haven't got a marketplace at the moment, but this game is massive. It's growing very fast, and it's really easy to get into. You start to, you know, you can battle other people. You can win, earn more crypto. You can sell off these animals, because as you level up, people will buy these things. So these are my little pets so far, and you know, this is the little pet I've got at the moment. So it's only level 1, but you know, if this was, say, I don't know, level, what, there's 20 levels of this. If this was like level 10, it's really valuable. So people buy it because they don't want to wait to level it up, because it takes ages. So they just buy your pet and you can make money from it. So again, this is only new. So I think it's only like 3 or 4 months old, but it's going to start to grow, and it's just another way to earn crypto if this is your thing. This is if you're into this sort of stuff, okay? So I gave you some options there. Again, all right, there's tons of ways to earn crypto. You have to manage your risk, all right? Don't get greedy. Have a long-term plan with this sort of stuff, and know that it's going to take you a couple of years, 3 or 4 years, build up your crypto portfolio. And once you start getting a bigger portfolio, you can start to put it into more safer things, and you can still earn 100, 200, 300, 500 bucks, $1,000 a day once you build your portfolio up. There's no need to go into these degen plays. I mean, you can just go into them and just to use your profit, but there's no need to risk all your capital going to these high yield farms like we saw with Iron Finance. So I hope this has given you some ideas, and thanks everyone for your comments, even those negative ones. Still appreciate your feedback, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.